To use an Xfinity camera without a monthly subscription, it is possible to do so by following a few steps. First, reset the camera to its default settings by finding the reset button and pressing it for 10 seconds with a pin. Then release the button. Additionally, reset the camera's power adapter. Next, connect the Xfinity camera to a home network, which requires a stable internet connection. To set up the camera, use a Y cable connector to allow it to connect to the internet. Then connect it to the network via Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and note down the camera's IP address. Once these steps are completed, the camera's connection to the home network will be successful, and footage can be accessed using software like Xfinity. However, it is important to note that not all features will be available without the subscription. By following these steps, using an Xfinity camera without a monthly service is achievable.